Hello everyone, my name is Nagarajeswari and I'm residing in Dubai. I've taken my PTE coaching with Y-Axis. My tutor's name was Paromita Sharma. About the tutor, she was excellent. The way she handled the class and the way she handled the doubts, queries, she was really good. She answered all our doubts, she answered all our queries, she gave us many tips how to score well in the exam. She was really nice, and the best part about LMS was the quizzes and so many questions in them. So it was really good with ma'am as well as with Y-axis. Yes, definitely I shall and I would recommend Y-Access to my friends and relatives. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. You have really helped us a lot. And the 7 sessions what I've taken with you, yeah, 7 sessions because I've taken a weekend batch. She was really good, and even though those sessions were for 3 hours, she made it sure that the classes were taken in a lively manner, and we never got bored for a second also. So she was the best. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Y-Axis.